just gonna be able to see anything. This big old windshield. But I don't have a headlamp at the time, so. VTX1800 big boy bike. Really want to hit the corner of the section like Big Dad. Nah, bro, look at the sky, bro. Nah. Crazy, look at this. Are we seeing the same thing? Shit. It's hard to tell, bro. I said it's hard to tell.
It's hard to tell. Yeah, definitely hard to tell. I started looking and seeing how it's gray was dark. How dark it was.
VTX, man, Harley Street Glide, bro.
I will get something to eat.
What? Crunchy chicken? Bikelife. Bikelife can't go wrong with the crispy crunchy. Best chicken in the city.
Yeah.
Hey, Harley Davidson's favorite stops. Both of their favorite stops. Chicken and burger.
I got a cooler full of it already.
Oh wait. So Trevor, you watching this? Get it. Bro, I thought we was ready to go this way.
Huh?
Thought we was
But that's what I thought. I thought it was going to take us around. But it started going right towards. I said, hold on. What's going on? I think we're going to be still good. I just think we can get
no, bro, like it was getting so dark that way, and then it's like it's out of them corners, so you really don't know. It might brighten up around one of them corners, it might not. It might get worse.
Then it didn't look like it was going to clear it back up. It ain't so fun to keep taking us that way. Then we would have went around. I don't know. I don't see no. You see rain? I see rain right there. I don't see rain. This is really like the way we was actually going. Wait it out. Yeah. You see YouTube though?
Yeah.
It's good, YouTube. Good week. You see me on the road? Don't ever pass me. You know your.
What?
But I ain't one of those Holly riders.
He must don't know. Big boy Honda passed me on both sides, left and right, close pass.
Hey, guess what's going
Yeah,
on?
then I just seen lightning right there.
Hey, guess what's going on?
Yeah, okay.
I said the light.
But you can sustain the lightning, huh?
They don't know.
Cause he the ghost rider. He got his pants, he got his boots, long sleeve shirt. Only thing he missing is his chain. Gotta keep the chain on the pants.
I fuck with it being up in the air more than down. This way is smooth.
Yeah, cause even when you turn, I've been waiting for it to scrape. I said, hold
They
on.
scrape it with the kickstand.
Now I'm just waiting for it to scrape cause I'm so used to it.
Oh, yeah. I ain't so used to seeing my back wheel, my back tires was okay. Other than the middle being kind of low. Fender.
Oh, when it was scraped. Is that your glove?
Yeah.
You finessing ass bitch, you a lying asshole. Push your weave stank, you couldn't get a ride home. All your outfits stole, and your best friend's shoes. Tell your baby daddy kill yourself with all that fake gold. I'm a savage, 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 savage. Look at it, bitch, you catfish, you catfish, you catfish, you catfish, you catfish me, bitch. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Yeah, you catfish me, bitch, yeah, yeah. Diamonds on my wrist, bitch, trap star. Running through them zips, bitch, oh my god. Travel to rapper with bricks in the packs and the rack on the racks. Finesse in the plug, you niggas is back. I had a little bit, I had a little hope. She had me some gold, she had me some gold.